register in this site from the link given in the description from your Chrome browser. In this video I teach you about 6 things. That first one is how to watch videos and earn money. Second one is what is Clover coins, how to earn them and exchange Clover coins for boost. Third one is referral income. Fourth one, automatic video viewing on Android and how to withdraw and which payment method is best. And last one is live withdrawal payment proof. So watch video until end. To watch video, go to watch, go to section, see there watching video duration is 15 seconds. When you watch 15 seconds you can come back and daily videos limit is 400 and we can see 50 videos hourly. So to watch video, click on watch video. Watch it from 15 seconds. Now go back, see there amount added. Now click on next video. So watch 15 seconds. Now go back. So in this way we can watch videos. Go back. So go to home. See there, this is our balance and this is Clover coins. So go to about Clover coins. See there, for each video view we get 20 Clover coins and first referral income 90, for register of second level referral 40, for register of third level referral 12. So for first level referral view 4, second 2 and third 1. So in this way we can earn Clover coins. So we can exchange our Clover coins. So see there, for $1 we need this much of Clover coins, for $5 this much and for $10 this much. To boost our income from video, for 10% this much of Clover coins needed and validity 1 day, and this is 10% for 1 week, this much of Clover coins needed. For month 10% boosting, this much of Clover coins needed. This way per day 20% income, this much of Clover coins needed. In this way we can earn Clover coins and boost our income. Now go back. So now go to referral section and this is your referral link. So you can get income from referral also. They give third level of income. First level 10% of 15, second level 4% of 6, third level 2% of 3. So in this way you can earn from referral also. Now go back. So now I tell you how to automatic video viewing on Android. For that, go to watch, go to section, see there Here is automatic video viewing on Android. Go to more. So see there, they explained every step here how to do. Now I showing you live how to use it. First of all, go to download MacroDroid app from Play Store. Click on MacroDroid. So download it from Play Store. After you download, go back. So now WLP 1.0 macro. This script you should download it. Click on download. Download it. See, open it. Open with MacroDroid app. Click on MacroDroid. Now click here. So they need some accessibility requirements. Click on OK. So scroll down. See there, you should accessible enable for MacroDroid and MacroDroid UI interaction. I enabled them both. Now go back. Now go 3 lines. See, select macro, enable macro, this. Okay. Now click here again. Now you should enable it. LWP 1.0, you should enable it. Now go home. Now on it. Now select Chrome browser which you login your luckywatch website in Chrome browser. So click on Chrome browser. So it's automatically play. See there.
Phiên thứ 6 vừa qua, thị trường có một cái giai đoạn bị giảm điểm ngược. Buổi sáng.
When 15 seconds completed, they ask, see there, amount added. Now again click on Chrome browser only. So it will play again automatically. So after 15 seconds completed, they show your browser. Just click on browser, then it will play. Just by one click you can play videos. So in this way you can watch videos very simply. Amount added here. Just click on Chrome browser. In this way you can watch hourly 50 videos, daily 400 videos. By watching 400 videos you will get 0.1 means 10 cents you will get every day. Solve captcha. So select serial images. Captcha solved. So when captcha come, you should watch video manually, one video that will come after 30 to 40 videos, not oftenly. When hourly limit 50 videos are completed, so it will show time to take a break, then give a 1 hour break, then watch video again. So until that, close everything, go to MacroDroid app,
then disable it, then after 1 hour enable it and do the same. Now I will show you live withdrawal proof. Go to payout. See there, to withdraw funds you need to confirm your email, so click on confirm. So go to mail, so open mail, confirm, select Chrome browser. So your email address has been confirmed successfully. Go to profile, go to payout again. See there, they giving payout methods: Pair, Wallet, Tron and Steam, Telegram Stars, USDT, BIP20. Among these all payment methods, I recommend USDT BIP20. Why? Because the minimal withdraw is compared with others is very low with this payment method, and fee also very small. So to add your wallet, click on add wallet. So enter your wallet address here. I entered USDT BIP20. So after enter your address, click on save settings, then go back. So now I have $0.19548. So minimum withdraw with this payment method 0.18. So I want withdraw 0.19. So fee is 0.02 USD. So 0.19. So fee cost is 0.03 USD. So I will be credited to the wallet 0.16. I will show you my trust wallet. I given my trust wallet address. See there, this is my USDT BIP20. So I have zero balance. So when I receive, so select wallet, click on request payout, success, payout request created. Now close. So see there, the processing time depends upon the selected method and usually takes no more than 60 minutes, in rare case up to 72 hours. So go to history. So my payout is in progress. So see there guys, within 5 minutes I get payout. They paid. I will show you from my trust wallet. See there, I requested 0.19. so the cost fee 0.03. I received 0.13 USDT. Okay guys, thank you.